We're here at 172 Quichocho Street. This is the one in Mangilao with a garage, the front door, and then we got this little nice patio over here. We got an automated gate right over here. We'll just go around the building. Nice, fully fenced. Backyard area. It's a nice sliding door to the back side of the house. Got a shed right over here. And back to the front. Continuing for 172 Quichocho Street. As soon as we enter, we reach the living room. Open concept, kitchen and dining. The sliding right over here leads to the backyard. Going around the kitchen. Okay, the door right in front of me leads to the washer and dryer room. Has a water softener, utility sink. Right over here is the first bedroom. Right over here is the first restroom. And right over here is a junior suite. Second bedroom has the restroom as well. Okay, and onto the other side of the house. Right over here is the master bedroom. Large walk-in closet. And then to the left of this closet is the restroom. Nice bathtub and a walk-in shower. His and her sink. The other bedroom. And right over here is the final shower room. If you open this door right over here, it leads us to the garage. It is a 2-car garage. And to the end over here is a storage room.